The teenager who was stabbed with an ice pick and beaten on Staten Island earlier this month is speaking out tonight. One of the teens accused of the crime is the grandson of Staten Island Borough President James Molinaro. CBS 2's Wendy Gillette has that story.
14-year-old Richard Orlowski can toast his luck and health today after surviving what could have been a deadly beating and stabbing at this Dongan Hills playground on February 4th.
I have 3 stab wounds on my lower side, on my right. I have a wound on a stab on my shoulder, and I had a cut on my head.
17-year-old Stephen Molinaro, grandson of Staten Island Borough President James Molinaro, is one of 4 teens facing charges in the attack that Orlowski says was unprovoked.
They did this to me. They had no reason to do it to me. I didn't do anything to them.
Orlowski was stabbed 5 times with an ice pick and possibly a knife, according to what surgeons told his attorney about one wound.
They saw the hole was large, and it was the kind of hole that had to be caused by a very large, deep, penetrating knife.
After 2 weeks of recovering in the hospital, Orlowski celebrated his release today.
While Richard and his family and friends enjoyed their Italian feast, the wheels of justice in this case continue to turn. On Friday, the case was transferred from Staten Island to the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, which was appointed as special prosecutor.
That change was made because of Stephen Molinaro's family ties. Orlowski says he's not sure he'll ever be able to play high school sports next year as he'd hoped, but at least he survived.
When I seen him, I knew he was going to make it. I thought he was going to be dead. I mean, his head was like the size of a watermelon.
On the Upper East Side, Wendy Gillette, CBS 2 News.